Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can do a basic photo editing with picsArt application. First, you just need to open your picsArt application on your phone. Wait until the application is perfectly open, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this plus button and pick the picture that you want to edit. Let's say here I would like to edit this picture. So the basic editing that I would like to show you is just how the way you can make the color of your picture here going great by just go tap into this tools and tap into this adjust. And this you can adjust anything regarding to the picture that you have. That could be a brightness, contrast, clarity, and so on and so on. First, here is the brightness. If your original photo or raw photo have less bright, you just need to increase in the brightness here by swipe this into the right side to get the intensity of the light that you want. And the next is jump into the contrast, and this contrast you can drag it into the right side so that you will get the contrast color for every color that you have on your picture. And the next I would like to suggest you jump right away into the shadows. That's quite basic because by controlling the shadows you can make your photo look much more better. You can next swipe into the left side to add the shadows. Perfect. And then the highlight is quite a little similar with the brightness, but then it will be like adding the highlight into the specific area. But if you want to the highlight not going that much more outstanding, just drag it in the left side so you can like reducing for some. So right after you're done for everything, just go tap apply, and here is before and after. This is a before edit and this is after edit. So that's for today's tutorial guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.